Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy, delicious recipe, Dum Aloo. It's a very famous dish in Kashmir. It's called Kashmiri Dum Aloo. I make it my own way. Please try it and you're going to like it. It's very easy, very simple and very delicious. It's 1 pound. I'm taking small baby creamer potatoes. I just peeled it, washed it. They are not boiled or anything. The baby creamer potatoes, I'll place it on the cutting board and I will just poke it at many places. Move around, turn around, poke it with our fork. So I'm going to show you one more. Do it on all sides. The whole reason I'm doing it, when we're going to cook it, it's going to soak the curry and it's going to taste really good. So I'm done with all my potatoes. 1 onion, 5 garlic cloves, 1 green serrano chili, 1 inch ginger. I'm going to make a smooth paste. 1 diced tomato, cilantro, 1 cup water, 3 tablespoons olive oil. All these spices or half teaspoon each: coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, black pepper, and degi mirt. Salt, half teaspoon. All these ingredients are strictly optional. Coriander, cumin seed, star anise, 2 bay leaves, 1 Kashmiri mirt, peppercorn, 1 black cardamom, mace, 3 green cardamom, cinnamon stick, and cloves. We add all these spices to the potatoes and we're going to mix it. And this is our marination for our potatoes. I'm going to bring all the dry spices. Place the lid and I will use the magic bullet. And we're going to grind it. It's all done. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon for our Dum Aloo. So this is how you can make your own masala. I'll get a bigger jar and we're going to place green chili. Cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Place it into the jar. Garlic clove, onion. We're going to make a smooth paste. I'll close the lid. It's all done. I'll get a pot and I'll start gas. I'm going to bring olive oil. We're going to bring all the potatoes. As the oil start to heat up, and this is the masala, we're going to use it. So we're going to mix it. Cooking our potatoes for 2 minutes. The whole reason I'm cooking it, as you can see, the potatoes are nicely colored with the turmeric powder. So this way the potatoes going to retain the color and they're going to look good in our curry. And we're going to cook it only 3 minutes. And these are raw potatoes. Cooking for 3 minutes. This is the same pot, the masala, and I'm going to take it out in the same one. Now I'm going to bring onion, ginger, garlic and chili paste. We're going to mix it well. Cooking our tadka for 5 minutes. As you can see, it's not sticking to the pot. Once the oil starts to ooze out, our tadka is nicely cooked. And now I'm going to bring diced tomatoes. Mix it well. I'll bring the gas to medium and we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes with the closed lid. Mix it well. Keep mashing the tomatoes. I'm going to bring the potatoes with all the masala. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring salt and the masala. Mix it well. I'll bring 1 cup water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely made, I'll cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes on medium gas. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to open it. And I'm going to bring 1 more cup water. So altogether 2 cups. Mix it well. And I'm going to cover with the lid, and now we're going to cook additional 5 minutes, cooking for another 5 minutes, altogether 10 minutes with the covered lid on medium gas. I'm going to open it, mix it. Gravy is perfect with the 2 cups water. I'm going to bring cilantro, which is the dhania, mix it well. I'll bring kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to cover with the lid, and now we're going to bring our gas to simmer, which is low, and we're going to let it simmer for 15 minutes. It's exactly 15 minutes cooking on a low gas, which is a simmer. I'm going to turn off the gas, and we're going to open our lid. Our dum aloo is all ready, and we're going to dish out. I'll get my serving bowl. Delicious dum aloo is all ready, and we can garnish with cilantro. It's really easy to make. Please try it, and you always can serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha with the rice cloth. Please try it, and you're going to like it. Please comment below how it turned out for you, and if you like it, like always, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.